If you have a pending ticket that's been sitting for 3 days with no reply, why hasn't anything happened? You set up a time-based rule. It's not firing. The reason is probably simpler than you think. And it starts with understanding where these time-based conditions actually live in Zendesk. Triggers fire the instant a ticket changes. They have no concept of time passing. Automations run on an hourly schedule and are the only place where hours since conditions exist. If you're searching for a trigger that acts after 48 hours, you need an automation instead. Zendesk gives you 3 categories of time-based conditions. Status-based ones track how long a ticket has been in a specific state, like pending or open. Assignment conditions track how long since a ticket was assigned or updated. And SLA conditions track breach deadlines. There is no hours since closed condition because closed tickets cannot be modified. On professional and enterprise plans, you can choose whether your automation counts every hour of the day or only hours within your defined business schedule. If your team works 8-hour days, 24 business hours actually means 3 full work days, not 1 calendar day. Be explicit about which mode you're using. Automations run roughly once per hour, but not on a precise schedule. The first run after conditions are met counts as hour 0. Each subsequent run adds 1 more hour. So a ticket that enters pending at 9:15 a.m. might not reach hour 1 until nearly 11 a.m., depending on when the automation cycle runs. Open Admin Center, go to Objects and Rules, then Business Rules, and click Automations. You'll see any existing automations here, including Zendesk's default rule that closes solved tickets after 96 hours. Click Add Automation to begin. Click Add Automation and build your condition set. For auto-solving tickets that customers haven't replied to, you need 3 conditions working together. The ticket must be in pending status, more than 48 hours must have passed since it entered pending, and the tag auto-solved must not already be present on the ticket. The single most important setting is the operator. Always use greater than instead of is. With is 24, the automation must catch the ticket at exactly the 24-hour mark. If it runs at 23.5 hours and again at 24.5, it misses it entirely. Greater than 24 catches every ticket that has passed the threshold, no matter when the automation runs. Without a nullifying condition, your automation fires every single hour on the same ticket, sending repeated notifications and adding duplicate tags. The standard fix is a tag pattern. Check that a specific tag is not present as a condition, then add that same tag as an action. Once the tag exists, the ticket no longer meets the conditions. In the Actions section, add the tag that serves as your nullifier, set the ticket status to solved, and optionally send an email to the requester letting them know their ticket was automatically closed and can be reopened by replying. Click Create Automation, and it runs on the next hourly cycle. Support teams use hours, since conditions in 5 main ways: auto-solving pending tickets when customers go quiet, sending 24-hour reminder emails before auto-solving, escalating stale open tickets to senior agents, closing solved tickets after 96 hours, and notifying assignees when on-hold tickets have been waiting too long. Time-based automations work best when tickets are already routed correctly. Eesel AI adds an intelligence layer that reads incoming tickets and routes them by intent and urgency the moment they arrive, before your hourly automations even run. That means the right tickets reach the right team faster, and your time-based rules handle the follow-up sequences. If you want smarter routing before your automations kick in, try eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai. No credit card needed, and it connects directly to your existing Zendesk setup.